Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Zoho CRM for beginners. Zoho CRM is a powerful tool that can help ease how you manage your customers' relationships and boost your sales. In the next few minutes, we'll cover the essentials to get you started, so let's get right into it. On this page, we have Zoho.com. However, because we're talking about Zoho CRM, if you get over to Zoho.com, you might be able to find the featured apps and you can see CRM. Alternatively, you can go over to Zoho.com/CRM and you get right here. As you can see, this is the Zoho CRM page, and if we want to glance over to the pricing, we can see some information about the different plans or tiers here on Zoho CRM. You have the standard, professional, enterprise, and ultimate, each of them having their distinct features and limitations. Of course, this is a yearly plan, but if you want to go for the monthly plan, you have to pay more, or if you want to pay less, you get to pay for the yearly plan. So with this out of the way, we're going to go back to the top and we're going to click on Get Started. You can get a 15-day free trial, so we're going to put in some details right here. Or of course, you could sign in using your Gmail or your LinkedIn. So we're going to use Gmail to make the process easier. So you're going to go ahead and select the email you want to use. And this is how easy it is to get started with Zoho and create an account. Of course, you can have a trial for free for 15 days. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be showing you the essentials as we promised earlier. So here at the top, you can see home, leads, contact, accounts, deals, tasks, meetings, calls, and projects. We will be going through some of them in the course of this video. And you also have the three dots here called other modules. And right here, when you click on it, you can see reports, campaigns, documents, and visits. Now on the right area here, you have your avatar or your profile icon there. And when you click on it, you're going to see some details about your account, such as your user ID, your account, and of course, if you want to sign out. Then you also have your subscription plan details and the option to try other additions. And if you need some help, you can write, look through resources, take a tour, or visit the community. Also here, when you click on setup, it will take you to this page where you can basically have different settings for your Zoho CRM. And here you have the marketplace. And the marketplace is one of our favorite places because here you can have different apps for integration with your Zoho CRM. If you're looking at channels, customization, automation, data administration, the marketplace, or the developer hub, you can find all these options right here. Now, these are all the extensions. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, and they also have different ratings. For example, if we're looking for free and we're looking for free extensions with top 4 stars, you can see them right here and they're populated. If you have them installed, you're going to also find them right here. Of course, as you can see, for the first time, you will need to start by having one. And then right here at the top, once again, you have your calendar. You also have your search. And with the search button, you can search through all the modules through. But if you want to narrow it down already, you could search through leads, contact, accounts, deals, and a lot of them. And here you have the quick menu or the create menu. When you click on it, you can easily create a lead, a contact, or any of these options. Now, if you want to create a meeting, you can simply click on this. But before you create a meeting, you might want to have a lead. So we're going to try creating a lead. So here in the lead edit page where you'll be creating your first lead, you're going to put in all this information. Now, of course, at first it looks a bit overwhelming. However, we're going to be going through each of them just to help you ease into creating a lead. Now, here you have the first lead information, which is the lead owner. And the lead owner is the person who is managing that lead or who is bringing in the lead. As you can see, my account name is here already, and you're going to put in the first name of the lead. I'm going to give this a name, Mr. Lane. And the title, you could leave that blank. And you have the phone number and the mobile number. So what we're trying to do here is to create a lead. And as we promised, we're trying to get you to ease into this. Then you have a lead source. When you click on the drop down, you're going to indicate how this lead was gotten, either through advertisement, a cold call, an employee referral, an external referral, or an online store. Now you also have other information here, so you can go through them and select which applies to you. We're going to choose a cold call and select the industry. We could say service provider. And here you have the annual revenue. We're going to put in 200,000. And then we have the company. We have Zenus link. We're going to put in the last name of this person. So you can see first name here and the last name. So we have Mr. Lane Wong, and you're going to put in the email address, put in anyone there. And then you could put in the fax if that's applicable, the website, the lead status, and this might be important. So we're going to click on the drop down. And here it says attempted to contact, contact in the future, contacted, or you can put in any other option here. So we're going to say contacted, number of employees, we could say 500, rating, we could say active. You could put in the Skype ID, the secondary email, and the Twitter handle. And here you also have address information, description information, and we're going to go over to save. And if you'd like to add a new one, you can have save and new, or we're going with save. And as you can see, we've created our first lead, Mr. Lane Wong, working with the Zenus Link company, and you can see the overview. You have the lead owner, you have the email phone number, and lead status. And there are other options here. You can decide to hide the details or show the details. Now you can come over to timeline. The timeline here basically helps you to see the historical milestones of this lead. And you can see the first milestone is that this lead has been created on this day. Now we're going to move over from leads to contacts. And basically the contact module is where you get to manage your existing customers. You can view their details, track their interactions, and segment them based on their criteria. Zoho CRM also allows you to create custom fields to capture specific information relevant to your business. So if you come over here, you could sort through all the filters just to get what you want and proceed with your workflow. Now, account here represents the companies you're dealing with. Now, this module helps you to keep track of all contacts associated with a particular organization. You can also use accounts to manage deals and track overall businesses with each client. Now, I'd like to take you over to deals, and deals are also known as opportunities. They represent potential sales. Now, to create a new deal, you just need to go over to create deal and click on it. And right here, you can put in the deal details. Now we're going to show you an example from the first page. I'm going to cancel this. And here you can see the dashboard of the different deals, right? And for this different deals, you can have your access to them. And they're currently under different boards. By all of this, you can use this page to track your deals and forecast the revenue or identify potential roadblocks. Zoho CRM uses a sales pipeline to visualize the progress of each deal. If you're into marketing, it is important to mention as a beginner that Zoho has the mobile version, and right here you can see both for the Apple device and the Android devices. So this means that you can use Zoho on the go and not miss potential deals and keep track of what you're having as existing deals. So whether you're using your leads, contacts, accounts, deals, tasks, and using reports to get information on all your activity, you can use Zoho more fluently with the help of this tutorial. We hope that we've been able to help you familiarize yourself with Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching.